Got a question here asking, landlord's tenant gives a 30-day notice for to terminate their month-to-month tenancy, I presume, and then the rent's going to be due the first. Does the tenant have to pay the rent, or can the termination of the 30-day notice be on any day of the month? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, I get this question a lot, and it's a very good question too. Okay, basically it comes down to, can a landlord or a tenant, for that matter, give a notice to terminate their tenancy at any point in time of the month? And under the Civil Code 1946 and 1946.1, those notices can be given at any point in time of the month, unless your lease governs otherwise. That's generally the rule. Okay, so in this scenario, when the tenant gives a 30-day notice, right, they're going to be on the hook for 30 more days of rent. Okay, same thing would be if the landlord gave a 30-day notice. They might have to give a 60-day notice, and the landlord might have to have just cause, but it kind of works the same for both things. How, the tenancy terminates at the end of the 30th day, in this case for the tenant. Okay, so they're liable to paying rent for that period of time. So when rent becomes due, let's say tenant gives notice July 31, for example, and rent comes due August 1. Well, you're going to prorate the rent for August. Okay, in this case, it would be for 30 days, and rent in August. August is a 31-day month. Okay, so that's usually how it works here. Landlords, if you have a situation where you got questions about, hey, how much rent is due when a tenant gives notice to terminate their tenancy, or can they terminate their tenancy at all pursuant to your agreement, or you're having any other tenant issue, and you're in the Northern California area, feel free to reach out. We might be able to help out. Put your comments, questions down below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. See ya.